morning, students. Welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Seth Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself, Mrudula Kaddevaru, mathematics teacher for standard 6th. Today, let us start with continuation of chapter 5, understanding elementary shapes. So students, let's get started. Students, in the last session we had studied about polygons. Now let us study with three-dimensional shapes. So children, you come across various shapes in your day-to-day life. Each of the shape is a solid. It is not a flat shape. You can take an example of a ball, cone of a ice cream, cylinder, the box that is a cuboid, playing die which is a cube, and also the pyramid. So these are some of the examples which resemble various shapes such as sphere, cone, cylinder, cuboid, cube and pyramid. So these are the shapes which we are going to study today. Some of these. First one is we are going to study about cube. So children, in this cube here all the sides will be of equal length. When you see the faces, edges and vertices. So children, face is nothing but you can see here the shaded part. This is the first face. So each side of a cube which is a flat surface, then that is called as a face. So children, you can observe the figure here. How many faces you can find? This is one shaded one. Next, I can take an example here of a cube. This is first face, and when I take the bottom of this, it is second face. 3, 4, 5 and 6. So totally there are 6 faces for a cube. 1 and bottom of it will be 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one will be 6. So totally there are 6 faces for a cube. Similarly, when we take edges are nothing but the line segments which meet, that is the faces. When two faces meet, then that line segment is called as a edge. So children, you can see here, this is my first face, this is face 1 and this face is mating to this one, forming a line segment. So this is called as a edge. Similarly, you can find here edge, here. So totally when you count, you get 1, 2, 3, 4. Down bottom 4 you get, so totally 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see in this figure as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you take at the bottom, you get bottom also you get after 4, count 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 9, 10. This is 11. One more line is missing. This is 12. So totally there are 12 edges of a cube. Similarly, when you take vertices, so children, vertices are nothing but the corners or the point where two or more edges or line segments meet. So children, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally there are 8 vertices. Vertex is singular, vertices is plural. So children, you can say that a cube is having 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Similarly, when you observe this figure, it is nothing but a prism. You can see it in the laboratory. So children, as the faces are triangular, it is called as triangular prism, whereas its a triangular face is also known as its base. You can see a prism has two identical bases. The other faces are rectangle. You can also observe this one. Here we have a pyramid also. Pyramid is a shape with a single base. and the other faces are triangle. When you observe in this figure, the base is square and the other faces are triangle, which I will show you later about the pyramid. Now next is cylinder. Similarly we have a cone and also a sphere. Here we don't have any line segments. Here we have a circular base, isn't it? Here we have no flat faces or anything, isn't it? Whereas in the cone, again we don't have any line segments or a particular line segments and edges.